Hey planners, it's Teo Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be using the Mint kit from Station Stickers to plan the week of July 5th to the 11th. This kit is non-foiled, but I am going to be pulling in silver foil to add some foil to this spread, which I really love that about non-foiled kits, that you can basically choose whatever foil color you want or think is going to coordinate best and add your own foil to it. This was also a really fun week for me because it was something I'd been looking forward to since quarantine began and I had to go home and start working from home. This is the week that I went back to work, which is why I wanted to use this office themed kit for this week. And it's interesting because it wasn't like a full week of me being back in the office. It was actually just like literally Friday, or like the end of Thursday and then Friday, that I was back in the office, which was really cool because they were bringing people back into the office at my job sort of in waves and slowly like incorporating people in. And I ended up getting Friday as my start day, which was awesome because let's be honest, it's like the thrill of going back into work, which is just not going to last long. But the thrill of something being different and the change of it all was exciting. But it's like you get up, you go to work, and then to have one day and then get to go to the weekend. That actually worked out quite well for my personality. I was like, yep, that's good. So I've put down my bottom washi and the date covers. I'm getting started on my sidebar and I'm starting by decorating the month. I used a page flag from the kit, that candles from the Sweet Planner, the silver foiled floral is one of the wildflowers from Honey Inked, and then the little yellow flower, that is from a floral deco sheet from Sadie Stickers, which matched this kit perfectly. I really loved that. I pulled in a mandala divider from Mini Riot Co. on top of the quote box for the sidebar, and then I'm now building my this week section. I used to use my Monday through Sunday trackers to track my dinners. As I've gotten into memory planning and moved a little bit away from my plan as I go style, I've really been enjoying using my Monday through Sunday section to mark down sort of like an overview or a week at a glance type section that I'm putting in my sidebar. And so I'll use the Monday through Sunday tracker and write down I like a highlight from the day. I don't always necessarily fill in every single day if there's nothing to highlight or nothing particularly special about that day. I'll leave that line blank. That's fine with me. But I had quite a bit going on this week, and so I ended up filling in that section. It was nice. Then I put down the habit trackers, another one of those mandala dividers from Mini Riot Co. And then even that silver foiled floral bunch that I cut in half, also from Mini Riot Co. And I liked that because, again, this kit didn't have foil on it. So I loved those little touches just to add little pops of foil around all of the beautiful, colorful boxes in this kit. Finished up the sidebar using just one of the headers, floral deco from Sadie Stickers, and that is that a peony flourish or a peony swooshy from the Pretty Pink Co. Moving on to our Monday through Sunday, our day by day. I am starting on Monday by placing down a header. That trim is from Sadie Stickers, which I placed between the date cover and the header. And then I used a little fancy box from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that I had the day off. This was the day that my company celebrated or acknowledged 4th of July, which happened on Sunday. So we got the Monday off, which was quite nice. I am putting down this little bed sticker from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that, oh God, we slept in, had breakfast in bed, and it was nice. My husband actually got up and went and got us some breakfast and then came back and we just kind of relaxed in bed and ate. It was a great way to start the morning, and especially even more so for me because I wasn't the one who had to get up and get the food. So that was nice. I put down the full box, and then underneath there I marked that I was editing Plan With Me videos. I have been trying to do and honestly feel like I'm doing so much better with keeping up with getting back into my weekly uploads for weekly Plan With Me's on my YouTube channel, which I'm enjoying and very excited about. I'm rearranging how I spend my time and trying to make everything that I enjoy doing between YouTube and Instagram and all of my social medias, trying to make all of that fit. And so far, I'm really liking the fact that I've been getting more back into my YouTube channel. And then, oh my God, it was so crazy hot. And we were sitting in our room and just like sweating buckets. And my husband turned to me and he went, do you want to go to the pool? And I was like, oh my God, yes. It's just like, I didn't think about it because of quarantine. We had been, just dealing with quarantine for so long. And for a while, the pool at our building had been closed. And things have relaxed a lot more. And so I didn't even think about it. And when he said that, I was like, yes, immediately, yes, let's go to the pool. And we had just like the best day. It was so fun and just really nice and relaxing to be in the water because it was so hot out. So on Tuesday, had a busy work week, getting back to Tuesday, catching up on emails. And then my coworker, who often does a lot of like support work and assists me with some of the things that I do, was going to be out all week on vacation. And so I knew I was going to have a very busy week. Then I added one of those little peony sushis, and then that calendar icon is from Crafts by Towie. I used that to mark a meeting with my boss, and underneath there I used a little cell phone icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that I booked a lash appointment. Guys, I got lash extensions and I love them. We'll talk about them a little bit more when we get to Saturday, which was they actually went to go get them. But oh my goodness, this was my first time ever getting lash extensions, and I was looking around trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I found a place that was really close by my house, called them, booked my appointment, super excited. Then I used a trim from Honey Ink to line under that box. That laundry icon is from Crafts by Towie. It was washing clothes, and then did a workout to end Tuesday. On to Wednesday, I am putting down a half box from the kit and just marking some things that I needed to focus on and work on for work. Underneath there, I am putting down, is that the Meadow Divider, I believe it is, from Honey Inked. Then I used the pentagon from the kit. Love the fact that this kit had pentagons. And it's so funny because I feel like pentagons were definitely like a thing before hexagons became a thing in terms of like layering shapes. And so this was so fun because most of the kits that I use hexagons as their layering shapes, and I hadn't seen pentagons in a kit for a while now, but I really enjoyed layering with those. They were super cute. Oh my gosh, I watched this video on YouTube, and I've saw, I don't know if any of you guys follow Elaine Michelle, who's also in the planner community, because she did a video commenting on it. And I was like, oh, that's so cool, because she saw the same video too. I'd watched this video on YouTube. It was not a planner video. It was this girl, she was talking about pretty privilege and the fact that she doesn't have it, and just like sharing her personal experience and in dealing with that. And it was so interesting just listening to her firsthand account and her life experience in dealing with that. I watch a lot of planner YouTube, obviously, but I also watch videos that are not planner related on YouTube, commentary content, beauty content, that kind of stuff. And so it's always fun just checking out different types of videos and things on YouTube. But that one, it was such an interesting video. It really stood out for me. I ended up like sharing it with a bunch of people. And it's so funny because like in follow-up videos that she's made, she commented that video really went viral for her. And I'm not surprised because it just is such a fascinating topic and a complicated topic. And it raised a lot of feelings for people, but I enjoyed watching it and I thought it was good. All right, we've talked over everything. We're on to the second half of the week. I'm trying to look at Wednesday and see if there's anything else of note that happened on Wednesday that I need to talk about. Oh, I started playing Sudoku again. Don't know why I ever stopped playing Sudoku. I really love numbers and I love puzzles, and it's a numbers puzzle. It's kind of perfect for me. On to Thursday. Started off Thursday with a morning workout. And then ended up getting up and doing my makeup and putting myself together. That little makeup icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. And I knew I was going to have to go into the office that day, which is why I was putting on makeup and getting excited. And I think that's the thing that's like at the beginning of this transition of me getting ready to go back to work and stuff. It's just been the most exciting, and realizing, hey, I'm going to be leaving the house and people are going to see me. I should kind of try to put myself together and make myself look pretty decent. And it's like those little things that, you just haven't had to do, or I haven't had to do in being in quarantine and being at home. So that was fun. Underneath there, I marked that I got some Happy Mail, and the Happy Mail was my collection of the Sadie Stickers and Shantae Plans collab, which if you haven't seen my announcement video, you can check that out. It is up on my channel now. And so this Plan With Me is, of course, last week. So it was before the collection had released, and I was so excited because I got my collection on Thursday. I got a chance to look at it and see it in person for the first time, and it was just amazing. So cool. Oh, also Thursday night, we went to go see Black Widow, which is my first time going to the movies since quarantine, which was incredible because I love going to the movies. I also really love the fact that my first movie back was an MCU movie because I am a Marvel Cinematic Universe nerd. Love their movies so much. And it was so good. I loved every moment of it. It was perfect. Friday started by marking that it was payday, and then my first full day back in the office, which was great. It was just really nice to be able to see my team and be able to interact with them. But it's so weird because, again, like I was saying, they're bringing everyone back into my job in waves. So the building is still mostly very, very empty. So it's just really quiet and weird. But it is nice to be back and nice to see my coworkers in person. I used a YouTube icon from Crafts by Towie to mark watching Lauren's favorites video. I had some catching up to do because she had done a favorites video, and then she also did a live on Thursday night, which just made me so sad. It was her first time going live on Instagram, and I really wanted to be there for it, but I had already purchased movie tickets, and I was at the movie, so I had to catch up on all of that later. Then I made a CVS run after work to pick up some sinus meds for B. And that is, and then I finished up Friday by marking a workout. On to Saturday, got up on Saturday morning, started with a workout, which I'm so glad I did because after that I went to go get lash extensions for the first time, which was super cool and awesome, but you can't get your lashes wet or have like no oil, no water on your lashes for the first 48 hours. And so I definitely didn't want to like sweat all over my lashes. And so after I got them done for the first 48 hours, like I didn't exercise at all on Sunday or Monday because I wanted to make sure I didn't do anything that would cause my lashes to fall out. It was a really cool experience. And I love them. I'm excited. I have my follow-up appointment in a couple of weeks to get my fill. And so far, I really love the look of them. They're just very natural because I went with just a very classic, very simple, because I didn't want anything too dramatic. I just have very, very short lashes, and this is easier and faster than putting on false lashes. And it also saves me money on mascara because my lashes are always done now. After I got my lashes done, I went and got a pedicure, then came home, filmed my collab announcement video for the Sadie Stickers and Shantae Plans collab, and then I caught up on Moshi's first live on Instagram. On to Sunday. I started Sunday morning by unboxing the birthday bundle from Bloom Paper Studio. That was a Instagram live that I did with Rachel and Lauren, and we had so much fun. I always just really enjoy hanging out with them, talking about stickers and stuff. That's just kind of our thing, clearly. And so it was just a lot of fun. Afterwards, I streamed church, and that was really great. I'm using one of the flags from the kit that I cut down. I cut down the arrow part of it, layered some florals over it, along with a vine from Honey Ink and the church sticker from Crafts by Towie. Underneath there, I'm putting down a page flag, or not an arrow, layering arrow from the kit. And then that hairbrush icon is from Crafts by Towie. I washed and rebraided my hair so it'd be all fresh and new and nice because I was getting ready to have my first full week of work the next day. I wanted to pull myself together. And then underneath there, I just marked grocery shopping with a grocery icon from Planning World, and then finished up by marking a planning sesh. And that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.